Hello friends, in this video I will show you how you can download GTA San Andreas for free. Watch the full video or you will miss some part and the installation will not be successful. First download the files from the link in description by clicking on the link and then click here. Download the other 3 files and the APK like this. Now open Play Store and install an application called Z-Archiver. After downloading all the 4 files and the APK, open Z-Archiver. Then open the folder where you have downloaded the files. Now click on the APK and install it. Now click on the first file and click on Extract here. After extraction, a folder will be created. Long press on the folder and click on Cut. Now click here. Select Device Memory. Select Android. Now select OBB and paste it here. Now open your GTA San Andreas. Click on Offline. Now your game is ready to be played. Enjoy!